In today's competitive labor market, more companies are hiring folks who have spent time in jail or even prison. Companies also see it as a way to give back and reduce inequities. 600,000 inmates are released from prison each year, and according to a 2018 report, about 27% of them are unemployed. The Second Chance Business Coalition formed last year with 29 major companies and now have more than 40 on board. They're leading the hiring are companies like J.P. Morgan, Chase, American Airlines, AT&T, CVS, and Union Pacific. Last year, 10% of J.P. Morgan Chase's new hires have been formerly incarcerated. Many of them are now tellers at branches. Let's bring in Dan Lavallee. He is the Senior Director for the Center for Social Impact at the University of Pittsburgh Medical Center Health Plan. The center has Pathways to Works program, and I was just reading about this, that you've hired many folks. So thanks for joining us. What's behind this move to give people a second chance in this way?
Thanks so much for having me. It's a great day in our neighborhood here. And, for us, it is who we are as a company. It's our mission to serve our community. And that starts with individuals who've had barriers to work. And we have thousands of open jobs with us at our health plan, on the phones, in hospitals. And for us, it's all about how we help people who have barriers to work. And people who've been incarcerated, they are able to serve. And it's all about how we build hope and trust and compassion with how we do that. And quite frankly, it's all about building relationships in our community with organizations that serve people who are coming out of incarceration. It's a chance for us to fulfill our mission. It's exciting.
Dan, we know the labor market is tight. Is it so tight that I'm sure that you want to give people a second chance, but did you try to find folks that were not previously incarcerated, or do you want formerly incarcerated people for these jobs, full stop?
We want them full stop. We want anybody who is able and willing to come and join us and be a part of our family at UPMC and UPMC Health Plan to be with us. But full stop. We are here to support people coming out of incarceration. We work with an organization called Reimagine Reentry here in Western Pennsylvania. They build trust with people. They're so incredible. And we're able to work with them on a daily and weekly basis to bring people into many roles that we have, which is very exciting for us.
All right, Dan, when it comes to recruiting from Allegheny County Jail, I was reading about that you're calling up the jail and saying, who do you have? And they're saying, do you know this is a jail? Is that a true story? Did that really happen?
Yes, and that is my dear friend, Brandy. She's one of the bravest people I have ever met in my life. She's a new member of our team, and she came to us through being incarcerated around 7 years. And she had told me all she wanted to do was get back into patient care. She wanted to serve people, but she was afraid, given her drug-related conviction, that she wouldn't be able to work in that setting. But we said, no, that's not going to happen. You're with us. You came through a training program. You've lived out our mission and values every single day. And now she's with us, working at a hospital as a patient care tech that supports our doctors, nurses in one of our highest need hospitals. Her job, there's no more important of a job that we have with us than what Brandy's doing. Her story will continue to elevate. As I talk with her, she served her time, and now together we can serve our community.
All right, but there is a risk of recidivism here, and you do have people that might have a drug conviction working around drugs. If they're in nursing, if they're in a hospital setting, they have easier access to it. Have you worried at all about folks backsliding? Have you seen that? Do you have a plan for what happens if these folks do backslide and may commit crimes after they've been given a second chance? Because we like to think that folks that get a second chance will do the most with it, but that's not the case for everybody.
Look, so what we're seeing here with the program that we have and the job navigation supports and kind of the hope and the trust that we build with individuals and the organizations that work with them, where they're responsible back to as well, we're seeing retention rates 3 and 4 times what we see of others who are coming in. And that's people who were incarcerated, because we set the standard with them about trust and belief that this is what we're going to do and we're going to serve together. We're careful, of course, with who we bring in. And that's why those community partnerships are so key for us to really build trust in our communities and make this a model that can be scaled across at least our Commonwealth.
So they are very happy to have the job. They're loyal to you for giving them the chance, and they're sticking around. Is that right?
Absolutely. It makes us a better community. We are in Mr. Rogers' neighborhood after all. All he wanted us to do was live our authentic selves, and that's how we, feel with individuals, and it makes us, who we are here in Western PA.
That is Dan Lavallee. He is with UPMC out of Pittsburgh. Thanks for joining us, Dan.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider, and don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.